Alright, what's up y'all? So today we're going to be discussing 7 of the best foods to burn fat and lose weight. And I believe that enhancing your food options is the pinnacle of enjoying the journey. And when you can enjoy the journey, you're just going to have fun with it because then you're not restricted to one specific meal plan, right? It's super flexible. Yeah, you just need to add more foods in your arsenal, and when you can do that, there's no reason why you can't reach your fitness goals. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. 7 of the best foods to burn fat and lose weight, starting right now.
Man, this always be happening. Oh my god.
Alright y'all, so first on our list is avocado oil, and it is a great alternative for cooking due to its awesome weight loss capabilities. It has a high monounsaturated fat, which means you'll stay fuller longer, and when you're able to stay fuller longer, it's going to prevent yourself from overeating and over snacking, so you don't get all those unnecessary calories throughout the day. The best part, on top of the monounsaturated fat, is what is called oleic fatty acids, which can actually help reduce abdominal fat. And matter of fact, let's add some backup. A recent Penn State study found that when individuals consumed 40 grams of oleic oils for 4 weeks straight, they found that their belly fat was decreased by 1.6%. Therefore, it is worth noting that avocados are amazing foods that can help with weight loss. Alright y'all, so number 2 on our list is going to be red wine. And for a lot of you guys that love wine, this is going to be an amazing one for you, just because due to a study from Washington State University, they actually correlate red wine to weight loss. So you may be asking yourself, how does that happen? I thought red wine was just a good time. Well, due to the resveratrol compound within all types of red wine, it's pretty much going to turn white fat into beige fat. And if you are kind of confused about that, white fat is harder to burn, so if it's turning into beige fat, you're going to have an easier time. But do not go crazy with all the red wine because, regardless of how much resveratrol is in each glass, if you're drinking the whole bottle, it's just not going to make sense. And at the end of the day, they are calories, and if you put yourself in a calorie surplus, you're gonna gain weight. So, control yourself with the wine, go with 1 glass a night, and you should be good to go. Alright, so third on our list is going to be hot sauce. Hot sauces for me are super amazing just because, there's so many different ones out there. They're super exotic. And you can get any flavor from pretty much all around the world. What's great about hot sauce in regards to weight loss is due to the chemical called capsaicin. And this is actually a thermogenic chemical, and it will speed up your metabolism, also decrease your appetite. The thermogenic aspect of this chemical actually increases your body temperature, and then when your body temperature increases, then you start to sweat. Once your body is trying to bring your body temperature down, it's utilizing even more energy. You're going to be using a lot more calories trying to get back to a normal and regulated body temperature. If you're a coffee lover, then you're going to love this one because coffee actually aids in weight loss. There are 2 main ingredients involved in black coffee's fat burning characteristics and awesomeness. It is chlorogenic acid and caffeine. Chlorogenic acid speeds up the weight loss, and caffeine boosts our metabolism and energy levels. With a boost of metabolic activity and energy levels, one may see a benefit of appetite suppression. Alright y'all, so 5th on our list is going to be tomato juice. If you want to lose an extra 100 calories a day, drink this tomato juice. Tomato juice has been shown to increase your resting energy expenditure, which means extra calorie burn. In the latest study, scientists at the China Medical University in Taiwan asked 25 healthy women aged 20 to 30 to drink a glass of tomato juice every single day. And after 2 months, they found an average decline in weight measurements of 2/3 of an inch, with most losing more than a pound in fat. So next time you hit the grocery store, grab a couple cans of tomato juice. Alright, number 6, almonds. Almonds are super tricky and dangerous because you can easily eat more than you should. They're so easy to snack on, and however, if you can control yourself, you'll benefit from a super high protein and fiber snack. And actually, in one study, a low-calorie diet with 3 ounces, about 84 grams of almonds increased weight loss by 62% compared to a diet enriched with complex carbohydrates. And why did this happen? And it's because when you're consistently eating at a calorie deficit, you tend to have a lot more cravings. So in order to halt those cravings, you're gonna need to suppress your appetite. And almonds do an amazing job with that. And more so, it keeps you satisfied, which is one of the most important parts, because eating something that makes you full and you're not satisfied is going to make you eat more things to be satisfied. Does that make sense? Alright y'all, so we made it. Number 7, spirulina. If you guys are still here with me, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe button so I know you're here. Well, getting back to it, believe it or not, but spirulina is derived from seaweed. And what does this mean? High protein and vitamins. And to add to that, 60% of spirulina is made of protein, and not just any protein, but a complete protein. And no, I'm not talking about the Len and Larry complete protein. I'm talking about the spirulina complete protein. And it's called the complete protein because it can easily be absorbed by your muscle. And to conclude spirulina, I wanted to mention a quick study done in 2016 where a double-blind placebo-controlled trial suggests that spirulina may aid in weight management. In this study, people who were overweight and regularly ate spirulina for 3 months showed improvement in body mass index, aka BMI. So there you have it, y'all. 7 of the best foods to promote weight loss and fat burn. And if you guys like that video, you know what I'm going to say already. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you want me to post more of these type of videos, go ahead and smash that subscribe button.